Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If Google Chrome is suddenly blocking your web access with the DNS probe finished no internet error, it means your computer has completely lost connection to the domain name system, often due to a corrupted cache or IP configuration. I will show you exactly how to reset your network settings and fix this connection issue right now. Let's get started. First, we need to release your current IP address and request a brand new one from your router to restore the connection. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal window, type ipconfig /release and press Enter to drop your old connection. Immediately after, type ipconfig /renew and press Enter to successfully pull a fresh IP address. Next, we will clear out any outdated DNS records and reset your network sockets, which often resolves deep connection glitches. In that exact same command prompt window, type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter to successfully clear the cache. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter to reset your Windows socket configurations. Please restart your computer immediately after running this final command to apply the changes. Finally, if the error persists after rebooting, your default Internet Service Provider's DNS might be down. Press the Windows key and R at the same time, type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter to open your network connections. Right-click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, select Use the following DNS server addresses, enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred server and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate server, and click OK to save. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.